A storm free when you're far away from the home that you will soon be leaving. 'Tis many a time by night and by day that your heart it will be sorely grieving, for the road may be dreary and hard to thread, and the lights of the cities, they will blind you. You'll pine, I know, for the long ago, and for the one that will always love you. A storm free in the stranger's land, there is plenty of wealth and of wailing, whilst gems adorn in the great and the grand. There are faces with hunger paving. Oh, the stranger's land may be fine and fair, and richer treasures holding. Won't you turn us though to Erin's bright shore, and to the love that is never olden? A storm free when the evening mist o'er mountain and meadow is falling. Won't you turn away from the throng and the rest, and then maybe you'll hear me calling for the sound of a voice that is sorely missed, for somebody's being be returning. Aruna, won't you come back soon to the one that will always love you?